Hello dear friends. In this session, following the previous one, we want to present the details of the backtest results. Well, let's examine the output backtest chart. As you can see, there is an annoying white box here. To fix this issue, click on the hover tool on the right side of the chart to make this box disappear. Now we can see the entry and exit details of the trades. We also use the zoom tool. Let's watch closely. Excellent. Here the moving average fast has intersected the moving average slow downward. Or in other words, a slow moving average crossover has occurred. Please note that the crossover happened in this candle, and according to the trading strategy, a sell trade has opened at the next candle's open price. In the charts, the red hash represents a loss-making trade, and the green hash represents a profitable trade. For example, in this trade, we have a sell trade, and if the closing price exceeds the opening price, we are at a loss. Actually, the closing price is higher than the opening price, and since we had a sell trade, we incurred a loss. But let's see why the trade is closed. Because here a new crossover of fast and slow moving averages has occurred. In fact, since the strategy should open a buy trade, the previous sell trade should be closed. Now, scroll out with the mouse scroll. Also, use the pan tool on the right to drag the chart left and right. In a buy trade, if the closing price exceeds the opening price, we will profit. Hence, this green hash. In fact, as long as no sell crossover occurs, according to the strategy, this trade remains open. Right when we have a new crossover, the trade is closed. Excellent. This buy trade here has given us a good profit. Furthermore, since we have a sell crossover, meaning a slow and fast moving average cross, a sell trade has opened. Great. With these in mind, in these 7 trades, we had a 15% profit against a maximum drawdown of 17%. The maximum drawdown duration was also 3 days, meaning we paused our capital for 3 days and didn't reach a new equity peak. This drawdown duration, known as the maximum drawdown duration, will provide us with deep insights into strategies. Again, I emphasize that facing our backtest with reality alone is significant value. Be your own analyst.